Hey guys, welcome to A to Z Analytics. So guys, before watching the video, please like and subscribe the channel. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Dream 11 IPL match between Rajasthan Royals and Sunrise Hyderabad guys. So guys, in this video initially we will be discussing about pitch statistics, player statistics, IPL statistics, head-to-head statistics. Along with this guys, we will be discussing about like Dream 11 team for small league as well as for grand league guys. So guys, after this we will be discussing about fan fight team for Rajasthan vs Hyderabad match guys. So guys, basically fan fight is also a fantasy cricket gaming app like Dream 11 where we will be having variety of contests like mega contest, iPhone 11 gadget pool and all guys. So guys, we will be going to discuss about Grand League as well as Small League first fan fight as well guys. So guys, before watching the video, please like and subscribe the channel guys. So guys, let's go and discuss about pitch statistics for today's game. So guys, basically this is a match between Rajasthan Royals and Sunrise Hyderabad guys. So guys, the time is 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time guys, and also guys, venue is Dubai International Cricket Stadium, Dubai. So guys, this is the pitch and weather report. Pitch is good for batting, and we can see lot of runs to be scored at this venue guys. And also guys, but track is bit slow. Like we can see, the pitches are becoming very slow in the second half of this tournament, and it may be a bit helpful for spinners as well as pacers as well. And also guys, if score of 170 plus is going to be really tough for chasing side guys. And also guys, weather is clear, no chance of rain, and temperature is about 35 degrees centigrade as usual guys. So guys, this is the probable playing 11 for Rajasthan Royals as well as Sunrise Hyderabad guys. So as for Rajasthan Royals, like Robin Uthappa will open innings along with Ben Stokes guys, followed by Sanju Samson, Steve Smith, Josh Butler, Rahul Tivatia, Jofra Archer, Riyan Parag, Shreyas Gopal, Ankit Rajput and Karthik Tyagi guys. So guys, coming to Sunrise Hyderabad, David Warner will open innings with Johnny Bairstow guys, followed by Manish Pandey, Kane Williamson, Priyank Garg, Vijay Shankar, Abdul Samad, Rashid Khan, Sandeep Sharma, Natarajan and Basil Thampi guys. So guys, basically this is the lineup, that means batting order for today's game guys. And also guys, we can expect like both teams are going with same playing 11 as of last match guys. So guys, this is the pitch statistics in T20 International in Dubai Stadium. We have total of 61 matches played guys, out of which batting first have won 34 games and batting second have won only 26 game guys. And also guys, we can see like there is tie for one game in particular stadium. And also the average first inning score is 145 runs and highest total is 211 guys and lowest total is 71 guys. And also as highest score chased in particular Dubai Stadium is 183 and lowest score defended is 134 guys. So guys, this is the pitch statistics in IPL 2020. We have total of 17 matches played in Dubai Stadium guys, out of which batting first have won 10 games, batting second have won 4 games and there is tie for 3 game guys. So guys, the highest total is 206 and lowest total is 109 guys. And also guys, the lowest score defended is 164 for 5. So guys, based on this we may predict like this is also going to be a high scoring game. So guys, this is the news about Rajasthan Royals. So we haven't seen Rajasthan Royals performing extremely well in this tournament guys. So as even they have lost 6 matches out of the 10 matches they played and they won only 4 games guys. So as they are currently at 6th position in the punch table. And also this is going to be a do or die match for Sunrise Hyderabad as well as for Rajasthan Royals. And also RR have won their last match against CSK. Josh Butler is the leading run scorer for Rajasthan Royals in IPL. And also guys, Josh Butler is the leading run scorer for RR in IPL 2020 guys. And also guys, coming to leading wicket taker, Jofra Archer is the leading wicket taker for Rajasthan Royals. And also there is a couple of changes in batting order. Rajasthan Royals have worked in previous game like Stokes coming for opening along with Robin Uthappa followed by Sanju Samson, like that guys. And also guys, coming to the news about Rajasthan Royals, like Robin Uthappa is expected to open batting along with Ben Stokes guys. And also Sanju Samson will bat down the order followed by Steve Smith guys. So guys, we should be careful when take considering the team with Steve Smith, guys. Since he is a big hitter, we may expect him to deliver at any point of time. And also like Jofra Archer and Karthik Tyagi are the bowlers who are leading the pace attack, guys. So guys, this is the news about Sunrise Hyderabad. The performance of Sunrise Hyderabad has been average in this tournament, guys. They have played 9 matches so far and they have only 3 wins, guys. And also they are holding the 7th position in the IPL points table with 6 points, guys. Sunrise Hyderabad also lost their last match against KKR, guys. And also is coming to the news, like David Warner is the leading run scorer for SRH, guys, and Rashid Khan is the leading wicket taker for Sunrise Hyderabad, guys. So guys, Kane Williamson is struggling in the middle order in recent times, guys. And also like Khalil Ahmad might replace Basil Thampi in playing 11 for today's game. So guys, this is the last 5 head-to-head match record between Rajasthan Royals and Sunrise Hyderabad. We have like Rajasthan Royals have won only 2 games, while Sunrise Hyderabad have won only 1 game in their last 5 games, guys. So guys, this is the head-to-head between these two teams. We have total of 12 matches played, guys, out of which Rajasthan Royals have won 6 games and Sunrise Hyderabad have won 6 games, guys. So guys, these are the top pick players for today's game. We have Josh Butler, Steve Smith, Sanju Samson, Rahul Tewatia, David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, along with this Kane Williamson, guys. So guys, these are the top pick players, along with this Rashid Khan, guys. So guys, these are the best choices of captain and vice captain as well. And these are the top pick players for today's game, guys. So guys, after seeing these big names, we may have a big credit issue, guys. We are going to build a Dream 11 team in such a way that there is no credit issue and the team should be like in a winning mode, guys. So guys, let's go and build a Dream 11 team, guys. So guys, first we'll create a Dream 11 team for Grand League, guys. Then after we'll create a team for Small League, guys. So guys, in the in the wicket keeping section, we have like 3 options. We have Johnny Bairstow, Josh Butler, along with the Sanju Samson, guys. So as for the Grand League point of view, I'll be going with Johnny Bairstow as well as Josh Butler, guys. And also as coming to batting section, we have plenty of options like we have David Warner, we have Steve Smith, even Kane Williamson is also a nice option. So guys, here I'll be going with David Warner, Steve Smith, along with Robin Uthappa, guys. So guys, coming to all-rounder section, I'll be going with Ben Stokes for the Grand League, guys. And also guys, coming to bowling section, I'll be going with Jofra Archer, Rashid Khan. Along with this, guys, I'll be going with Ankit Rajput, guys. Along with this, I'll be going with Karthik Tyagi. Along with this, Sandeep Sharma. So guys, however, you guys may replace like Ankit Rajput with some batsmen, guys, like Priyanka is also a nice option. Riyan Parag is also a nice option. So let's go with Priyanka for Grand League, guys. So guys, this is the best fitted team for Grand League. We have Johnny Bairstow and Josh Butler as opener, guys. And coming to batting section, we have David Warner, Priyanka, Steve Smith, and Robin Uthappa, guys. Coming to all-rounder section, we have Ben Stokes. And from bowling section, we have Sandeep Sharma, Rashid Khan, Karthik Tyagi, and Jofra Archer, guys. So guys, coming to captain and vice captain choice, we have plenty of options. Like we have David Warner as captain, even Jofra Archer is also a nice captain, guys. So guys, in this for Grand League point of view, I'll be going with Johnny Bairstow as captain and Jofra Archer as vice captain, guys. So guys, even David Warner and Ben Stokes along with Steve Smith and Josh Butler is also a nice option for captain and vice captain, guys. So you guys may choose your captain and vice captain wisely, guys. However, I'll be going in Grand League with this team, guys. So guys, let's create a team for Small League as well. So guys, in this team, I'll be going with Johnny Bairstow and Josh Butler as 2 wicket keeping options as usual. And guys, coming to batting section, I'll be going with David Warner, Steve Smith, Manish Pandey. Along with this, I'll be going with Priyank Gag, guys. So guys, these are the 4 options I'm going from batting section. And also guys, coming to all-rounder section, we have Abdul Samad, we have Rahul Tewatia, we have Ben Stokes and all guys. So guys, I'll be going with Rahul Tewatia for the small league guys. Guys, coming to bowling section, I'll be going with Jofra Archer, Shreyas Gopal, Natarajan, and Sandeep Sharma. So guys, this is the team which I am going for small league guys. And also guys, coming to captain and vice captain point of view, we have plenty of options guys. So as far as the small league point of view, I'll be going with David Warner as captain and Steve Smith as vice captain guys. So guys, basically this is a team for small league. So guys, coming to fan fight team, let me create a team first. So guys, coming to wicket keeping section, we have two options, like we have Johnny Bairstow and George Butler guys. I'll be going with two options. Along with this guys, we may take like Sanju Samson in for our fan fight team as well. And also guys, coming to like batting section, I'll be going with David Warner, Manish Pandey. Along with this, I'll be going with Riyan Parag guys. Priyank from Sunrise Hyderabad guys. So guys, coming to bowling section, I'll be going with Rahul Tewatia guys. And also guys, coming to bowling section, I'll be going with Jofra Archer, Natarajan. Along with this guys, I'll be going with Ankit Rajput is also a nice option guys. Even Tom Curran is not playing. Shreyas Gopal. So guys, this is the team which I am going for fan fight. I am going with 3 wicket keeping options, 3 batting options, 1 all-rounder option, and 3 bowling option, 4 bowling option guys. So guys, coming to captain and vice captain point of view, I'll be going with Johnny Bairstow as the captain and Jofra Archer as the vice captain guys. So guys, let's have a team preview. So guys, basically this is the team preview for today's game. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the channel guys.